Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for job seekers or for college students looking for an internship. This video is very helpful, so don't skip in the middle. I will tell you the steps that how you can use this resource, that is company-wise HR contacts. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel and you are looking some placement related resources, startup list and job opportunities, then please subscribe and turn on the bell icon because we share regularly these types of resources and I have shared a many. So go check it out. Also, if you need any particular resource, do comment in the video. I will share it with you guys. So let's start the video. So in this sheet, you will get at least 1800 plus HR contacts company wise. Okay, so this resource is not curated by me, so I don't own this. Credit goes to the respective owner. I got it from the internet. So any of the recruiters revert you back from where you get the resource. Don't take my name because it's from the internet and I cannot do anything in that, like change the details or remove their email because I don't own it. So now how you can use the resource? So the first thing is that you will get the email and you will try to send them cold email inquiring about the job opportunities. So in some cases the email is not working because these can be old data or a new data, and some people may have switched the company, so their email should not be working. So before sending them cold email, you can verify like it's working or not. There are many email validator website like this. You can go just copy paste the email, they will verify that it is working or not. They will give all the description like it's deliverable that you can send them, and in some cases they might say that it's not working or something else. Let's check one new one, what this says. Yeah, in some case they are telling risky. So what the meaning of risky, you can read it out. So which is deliverable and good to use, you can use those emails. So yeah, this is the one way like you can use. The another way is that go to their website. Here you just copy paste the website, and from here you can go to their career section. From the career section you can see the list of openings, like here for US or UK. So I'll click on Indian region openings. So here you'll get like list of openings in India for different positions, and the experience is also mentioned. So like this you have to visit. First of all, like you can use this resource by sending them cold email. So while sending them cold email, you have to research about their company, like what their company do. So you have to visit their company and like you have to generate a compelling cold email, like why you wanna do work in their company and how you can be a good fit. Until you don't know about their company, you cannot write that. You just will write that copy paste cold email, you will not get any reply on that. So do research some about the company and then generate then create a compelling cold email. Attach your LinkedIn profile as well as resume link, and the resume link should be in drive and it should be like public access, because many people upload it and forget to give it access. Okay, so you can send them cold email. Here is the company. Also you can visit the company website, and in company website you have to find the career section. In career section you have to see the list of openings. So here mostly career section is in navbar, or in case it will be given in a footer. Perks and benefit about this company, current opening. So currently there is no being opening, or it's not loading. Like this you can visit many more companies. So like these are the companies which I haven't heard. So we are looking for jobs, but we don't know where we can apply, what are the list of companies. So this data, like company's name, will be also very helpful for you guys. Like you can visit every company's website and see what they do and how you can apply jobs in there, because we only do know the major MNCs, and we just focus on that. But there are too many crowds, so you might not get opportunities from there. So these are the ways that here you can find job opportunities. Yeah, these are the openings that you can easily visit to their career portal. And in their career portal, here are also some emails which you can use for cold emailing. So so all these are the resources which you can use for jobs search or for internship search. I will bring more videos like this, and if you have any doubt or you want to need any particular resource, do comment in the video. I will bring more. I will attach the description sheet link in the description. Also, if you need a good resume template or cold email template, do comment in the video. I will share it with you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.